Hi everyone, welcome to today's video and welcome to Value, where we build software solutions to empower businesses to maximize efficiency and propel growth. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at one of our software solutions, which is ValleueProject. So we're going to be having, this is an introduction to ValleueProject, where we're going to be looking at um, some really cool features and really cool things on ValleueProject. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right to the video. So this is a table of contents of everything we're going to be discussing today. So we're going to be looking at an overview of ValleueProject. We're going to look at who is ValleueProject for and the features available on the platform. So what is ValleueProject, right? So ValleueProject is an all-in-one project management and CRM software designed to empower your business to achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. So our platform integrates project management tools, right, with CRM to help you foster team collaboration and manage your customer relationships seamlessly, all in one solution, right? So this is a really powerful solution that can help you boost your team's productivity, streamline your workflow, and maximize efficiency generally, because you get to manage your team and your clients all within one solution, right? So we're going to get to look at all the cool features and cool stuff you can do on there. But let's move to the next thing, which is understanding who ValleueProject is for, right? So ValleueProject is for anyone looking to simplify the project management and boost productivity all in one solution, right? So we're going to look at who ValleueProject is ideal for. So for businesses, right? So if you're a business, you have to start using ValleueProject today, right? So to help you streamline your operations and achieve growth, the efficient project management and CRM, right? So all in one. So you get to see everything happening in your project from start to finish, everything happening with your customers or leads or clients from start to finish, right? From when they get on, from when they are still cold leads or when they are still leads till when they get to convert into actual paying customers. So you can be able to monitor this within your project. So if you're a business owner, a founder, you should get on ValleueProject. Try it out today, right? And for project and product managers as well, right? So you can enhance your ability to plan, execute, and monitor projects effectively, right? So you can manage your team, manage everything, schedules, everything, all within the project management ValleueProject platform. So for sales and marketing team, so you can manage your leads and customer relationships effectively on Value. Trust me, you really want to start using Value today, right? So for remote teams as well, right? You can foster real-time collaboration and communication with values, chat features, and comments that help you to understand or provide feedback to your teammates, or to teammates in real time, right? So consulting firms, you can manage multiple clients projects and maintain strong client relationships seamlessly on the ValleueProject management platform. Really, I'm very excited to go on to show you everything you can do on ValleueProject. So if you're getting value or enjoying the conversation up to this point, please, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're going to be having a lot more videos to teach you how to use this really super powerful tool to manage your businesses, right? So I encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on post notifications for whenever we post a new video, because apart from teaching you how to use the tool, we're also going to be having so much more educational videos to help you to show you how to manage different aspects of your business and complete tasks, as well as use the ValleueProject platform. So hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, right? So let's continue. So we're going to be looking at the features of ValleueProject, right? So we have project management. You can manage your projects. You can, excuse me. They also have your task management, your client management, team management, leads, leaves. You can manage your leads. We're going to look at how to do that and everything, right? And very soon, right? So you can manage leaves, you can accept or decline leave requests from your team. You can you have your Gantt chart where all the projects you have scheduled, right? You can visualize them on the Gantt charts and calendar. So you have your to-do, can simply write your things you want to write down, things you want to do in a day. You can, once it's done, you can cancel it. You have your notes where you can take down notes, maybe during a meeting or something important, you just want to write down, just want to document that really important information. You can just do that right here on the ValleueProject Management platform. You have your real-time chats. So you don't have to leave the platform to go to any other platform to chat with your team member. So all chats and conversations can happen within the ValleueProject Management platform. How awesome is that? So you have your invoices and payment. So you can create your invoice within the ValleueProject Management and send it to your client all within the same platform. I mean, that's amazing, right? So you have your custom currency. So you can set your custom currency to be able to charge your clients, right? You can set your custom currency in your local currency. I mean, right. So estimate, you can create estimate an estimated, value of your or estimated cost of the project, right? You can create your estimates and share with your clients within the platform. Like you don't really need to leave the platform to be able to carry out any of these tasks or complete any of this. So you have your user permissions. So you can set user permissions on the platform, okay? So you have your user permissions, you have time tracking, so you can track the amount of time spent on a particular task, right? You also have the support. So you can reach out to us if you need anything, have any issues, for complaints, for feedback, anything at all. So we are always, we are 24/7 available to attend to your needs. So I think at this point, we'll just get right into the value project management platform. So we can walk through these features we have looked at right now, okay? So we'll just get right to it. So to access the value platform, all you have to do is open up your browser and just type in value.com, right? So on value.com, on the Value website, right, you can see, you can get to, learn more about Value as a company, right? You can get to learn more about Value as a company, and you can see solutions we have on here as well. So you can see we have the value project management here and the ValleueProject solution right here. We also have our email platform, which is coming up soon, and you get to read everything you can about us. So let's just, the focus of today's video is the ValleueProject management platform. So let's just get there. So this is the website or the page for ValleueProject. So here, you can see up here, payment in Naira. So if you are based in Nigeria and you would like to pay in Naira instead of paying in dollars, you can simply click here to contact sales team and we would take it up from there and you can be able to pay in Naira, okay? So this is the homepage for ValleueProject. So you have a 30 days free trial, no credit card required. So you can, try out Value for 30 days to experience every feature on the platform. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So we have the Value project. So sorry. So I'll just can either click the get started button right here, or you can click sign up or sign in to actually create an account. So I'll just sign in. So here I input my password and everything so I can log in to the platform. All right. So this is the Value dashboard. This is the dashboard overview. So you get to see everything going on within the platform at a glance. So here you can see we have this is for the project statistics. Okay, so we have 7 pending projects. We have 7 projects that are currently pending. I mean, that means they've not been completed, right? So we have 0 projects completed. You have a total of 7 projects. So here you have your task statistics. You have 21 tasks, pending tasks. We have 12 completed, and we have 33 in total tasks. So here you can see your invoices as well. No, we have none at the moment. So this is more like a visualization of the information on your project statistics and as well as your task statistics. So you can see not started, ongoing, finished. You can see your to-do, in progress, in review, and completed right here. So that is a brief of the projects of the dashboard part. So we get into the projects. So we have multiple projects going on here, as you can see, right? We have multiple projects going on here. So this is where you can create your projects. You can, edit the project. You can, like I said, today's video is more like an introduction, an overview video. So in later videos, we'll be having deep dive into how to use specific features, right? So I'll just keep it high level for now, okay? So this is the project section is where you can visualize, see your projects, okay? You can change the view of your project to a list view if that's more convenient for you, okay? So this is where you get to create new projects and all. This is for the projects part. And you have your task management. So this is where you get to manage your task and assign tasks on social media. Sorry, not social media, I mean. So this is task. So this is where you get to assign tasks to team members on different projects. So it has the Kanban view and the list view, and you can create your tasks here as well, right? So we have the clients. So this is where you can manage your clients. This is where you can create new clients. You can, edit the client and basically do anything on the client profile, because when you create your client when you create a profile for your client of Value, your clients can be able to track, the progress of his or her project using the Value platform, as long as the person has an account on here. Your clients can be able to see what is going on his or her project, right? And you can also set permissions for your client. If you don't want your client to, monitor the project, that's up to you. You can, disable that permission, and you can give your client specific permissions as to what they can do on the ValleueProject platform, right? So you have your leads. So you have your leads, right? So you can create leads on here, manage your leads. You know, this is a new lead, as you can see. So you can create any lead on here. You can set the status of the lead to qualified, new, in discussion, won and lost, right? So you can manage all that here, right? So we have your sales section. You have the sales section. So here you have your invoices, estimates, the product, and the taxes, right? So here you can create an invoice, okay? Using in the invoice section, you can create an invoice, and when you create an invoice, you can, you know, send an email to the client right here, and they can receive your invoice, right? So you can send an invoice, calculate and send your invoice from here. You can create your estimates also from here, right? And send that also to whoever, in this case example, could be your client, right? But yeah, you can send to your client. So you can visualize every invoice. You can see all the invoices that have been sent. You can see different information, the invoice, the client, due date, the amount, USD, depending on the currency you've set. You can see the status of the invoice. You can see the action you want to take on the invoice. So all these are available right here. So you have your products. So if you have multiple products, say for example, you're a digital marketing agency, we have um, um, PPC advertising, we have SEO as part of your offerings, right? Or web development as part of your offerings. Okay, these four things. So you can list them here as within the product section. You can list these services within the product section, and you know, have them here. Anyone can see them, right? You can delete, you can edit them. Anyone can see them here, right? Also, you can use this to create estimates or invoices for your clients, right? So we're going to look at how all this work together. But this is, like I said, an overview of everything you can do on here. So you have your taxes, you can create that here, and it automatically applies to your invoices. So you have your finance, right? So you have the finance section on the platform. So on the finance section, you have your payments and income. Sorry, payments or income. So when people, you know, pay for your services, right? You can record them here. You can create them here. So you have your expenses as well. So this is where you record your expenses to keep track of all the expenses made, you know, within the business, right? So you can record your income and expenses on here. So this is where you add, so for team members, that's the next section. So this is where you add your team members. You can manage your team members here, right? Manage your team members here. Can create a new team member, edit a new team member, or delete a team member from here. So you have the chat section. This is where you can chat with your team, where you can chat with your team members. So you just have to select someone you want to chat with, and you can chat with the person, okay? So this is the timesheet. You can get to keep track of the time spent on various tasks. You can see here there are various tasks and total time spent on them, right? You can keep track of that. You can, you know, select the project you want to see, how much time the team member has spent on that. You can select filter by the task. You can filter by the users. Okay, so that's that for the timesheet. And you have your Gantt charts as well for different projects Okay, for different projects, you can be able to monitor, excuse me, you can be able to visualize, the schedule for various tasks and projects as well. Okay, so this is the Gantt charts section. Right, this is the Gantt charts section. So you have your calendar as well to visualize your projects, right? So this is the calendar view for your projects. So you can be able to visualize that from here. So you have, you have your to-do. Here you can create your to-dos in a day or depending on what you want to do, right? So you can create your to-do here and you can set this, you can edit or delete them, right? So we're going to using these two in much detail later, right? So, but basically we have a to-do section, right? So you have your notes as well. So you can take notes here, create your notes, and you can do that here. You have your leaves section where you can create and manage leaves um for team members. Okay, you can do that here. So you have your attendance. You have your attendance. Okay, you can manage or monitor the attendance of your team members, what time they came in and when they left. So this feature is very ideal for remote teams to manage your teams wherever they are, right? Or even um in-person teams as well. So it's ideal for every team who wants to manage or yeah, manage their teams appropriately. So we have your plans section. This is where you can renew your plans when they expire, and yeah, so you can upgrade your plans from here. So as you can see, we have the yearly plan, right? So we have the starter, standard, premium plans. So for the starter plan, yearly is $102. So for the standard plan, yearly cost is $357. The premium plan is $816 per year. We also have the standard plan in monthly, right? So you pay 35, the cost is $35 per month. Standard, the starter plan is $10 per month, right? And the premium is $80 per month. So we also have the enterprise plan, which costs $170 monthly and $1,734 yearly. So this is where you find your plan and you can subscribe to a certain plan of your choice. So here you have your reports. You can see your reports on projects, tasks, clients, team members. The video meetings is in progress. We're going to be adding this feature soon where you can have your video meeting all within the Value project, right? So you can get all these reports on leads, timesheets, everything you can be able to access from here, okay? So you have your support. You have the support section. This is where you can be able to contact us. Can create a ticket from here and we will definitely respond to you in time. So this is the settings section, which is the last section here. That is loading. Okay. So you have the settings section, have the general settings, you have the company settings, your taxes, and user permissions. So You can, define what your users or team members can be able to access within the platform. Okay, so you can set your user permissions on projects, on tasks, and client. See, this is the permission for clients. So you can set what your clients can see. If you want them to see all your projects, want them to see all the client, all the tasks, want them to see video meetings, of course, which is related to them. If you want them to see leads, you want them to see Gantt chart. So you can basically define what you want them to do here. As you can see, I want them to see, I enabled the chat section so they can, excuse me, I enabled the chat section so they can chat or delete chat. Right? You can create a chat or delete chat. So it depends on what you want to do, right? You can just click on it to enable what um, you want them to see. If you want them to be able to um, create projects. So I just want them to see the project. I don't want them to be able to create or edit or delete the project. So I want them to see this, right? I want them to see the tasks, but I don't want them to be able to perform any of it. So all these things are things you can, depending on your unique needs, right? You can create that, and when you are done, you can just simply save changes. So this is an overview of everything you need to know about ValleueProject, right? So I believe I've been able to, walk you through all the features on ValleueProject. Okay. So in our next video, we'll be looking at deep dive into all these features and how you can use them within your business. Sorry, I think I missed out something. You can also, set your language preferences from here. Okay, access your language preferences from there. I think that's the last thing I actually wanted to show you in today's video. So I encourage you to subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of information to share with you, right? So do well to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification and follow us on every social media. We're on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So do well to connect with us and check out check out the Value Project Management platform. Try it out, and we would really love to hear your feedback. Right? We really love to hear your feedback. You can send us an email. You can send us an email or DM us on any of our social media. We'll definitely respond to you. So thank you very much, everybody, for sticking with me to the end of this video. Look forward to having you in the next video. Bye.